What is up, guys? It's Dave with Pete and Pedro, and today we're talking safety razors. First things first, let's get this bad boy all set up. All right, guys, first thing here, we're just gonna open this up. You can do that with the little twister on the bottom. You just twist that just like that, opens right up. Got a brand new blade here. Now, these come in these little papers for safety. Very, very carefully, you just wanna remove the blade, and super simple. Just gonna drop it right in just like that. Now, just close this up. And that's it, your blade's ready to go. All right, guys, second thing here is you're gonna wanna get a shave mug. Now, if you can't find a shave mug like this one, everybody has a ton of coffee mugs laying around that they have nothing to use them for, like this one that I have with a mouse and a drag. I have no idea where I got that from. That's your new shaving mug. I promise it's gonna be way easier to work the shaving cream if you use a mug. All right, take your shaving cream. What you're gonna do is just take a couple sprays right inside, just like that. I usually go with 4, that seems to be enough for me. So obviously we're gonna have to work it a little bit to get it to a consistency that's great for shaving. What I like to do is grab my shaving brush, and I find that the shaving cream works a little bit better when you add just the tiniest little bit of water. So I just run this under the faucet real quick before I start working the shaving cream, and it seems to be the perfect amount. Get your shaving brush and just start mixing it in. You can see the consistency is gonna start to change, and when you end up with something that looks just like that, you know that you're ready to go. Now, before I apply the shaving cream, I do like to use the P&P pre-shave oil. It's gonna make sure that the blade runs smoothly across my face without catching, and it's gonna reduce some of the irritation that's caused from the blade. After the pre-shave oil, I do apply the shaving cream and put this bad boy to work. Now, this razor is really sharp, so I'm usually good with just 1 pass, maybe 2 if I have to. Now, when you're done shaving, you are gonna wanna make sure that you're using some type of aftershave. I prefer an Aftershave Balm just because I prefer the consistency, but regardless, just make sure that you're using something. Shaving causes a lot of irritation to your face. It can lead to a lot of ingrown hairs, acne breakouts, all types of stuff that you just don't wanna deal with. Just make sure you're putting this on afterwards and your face will be good to go. Last thing here is the cleanup process, and one tip that you're gonna wanna remember is once you're done cleaning your razor, you really wanna make sure that the blade itself is dry. Moisture and metal does not go together, and keeping your blade dry and not sitting with the moisture on it is really going to extend the life of the blade. That is it, guys. That's everything that you're gonna need to be shaving like a pro. Grab yourself a safety razor today and ditch that cartridge for good.